with temperatures in Iraq and Afghanistan that can reach 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Sometimes the environment itself is the enemy. Thousands of our troops have suffered from heat exhaustion.
And if you talk to any soldier who has been deployed in Iraq and Afghanistan, you ask them what is the major limiting factor for their activities over there, they'll say heat.
Heat can limit physical performance and hamper judgment. And unless the body is quickly cooled, heat stroke can lead to brain damage or death. At a Stanford University lab, scientists Dennis Grahn and Craig Heller have developed a remarkable breakthrough.
We have to be able to run experiments under realistic conditions. We're not in Iraq, so we have a hot room, and then we simulate battle conditions by the clothing that is worn.
A biological chemical warfare suit, heavily insulated for protection, offers the worst-case scenario for overheating in battle.
Now what this is going to be a device that will measure your body temperature at the level of your heart, because all blood coming back from all regions of the body comes to the heart. So that's the best integrated temperature of your body. So when you get this all the way up your nose, the end of it is going to be right at the level of your heart. Okay, so now we're going to go into the hot room. And hot room is at 42 centigrade, that's about 108 Fahrenheit, so a nice cool day in the desert. Okay, Steve, we'll use the treadmill here on the left. Treadmill up to a 13% grade now. Pretty good workout. Well, we have Steve exercising in the heat, and we're going to leave him in there exercising until his core temperature gets up to 39 degrees. That's about 102 Fahrenheit. So would represent a healthy fever.
When his core temperature reaches 102 degrees Fahrenheit, he is even more heavily insulated.
Okay, Steve, we've now simulated full biological chemical warfare gear by insulating your hands, which would normally be covered with gloves, your face and head, which would be covered by gas mask, goggles, helmet, and your feet, which would be covered by boots. How do you feel?
Kind of warm.
Kind of miserable, huh? Okay.
Steve is left to rest in the hot room, but his temperature still hovers at a feverish 102 degrees Fahrenheit.
Okay, Steve, time's up. So let's make you feel a little bit better.
Craig will cool Steve off using a revolutionary device. They call it the glove.
The gloves are activated, so now we can see how much heat we can actually suck out of your hands.
All right, looking forward to it.
The cool water, which is perfusing this metal cylinder, is going to take heat away from your hands. The hot blood is coming into your hand. It's being distributed in this big network of blood vessels just under the palm, and that heat's being transferred to the metal cone. The cool blood is going right back to your heart and being distributed through the core of your body.
Feels good.
Even though he is heavily insulated, as the cool water circulates through the glove, Steve's temperature immediately starts to drop and will soon reach a safe level. The glove that can protect warfighters from heat stroke